losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Hello everyone, welcome back to God of YouTube. I'm going to be doing some cover and recording while Shane's off helping Bailey. He's moving. Bailey's finally got his own place, which is cool. It is only temporary, but he is getting there. So while I've got Shane's computer, I thought I may as well utilise it. So I've recorded some videos that you can see here that are going onto the memory stick, and there's the recording software. So I'm going to get that video edited now and get it uploaded, which is the clip that will follow on from here. It's just one game of Modern Combat. There's going to be a whole load of new content from the gaming side of it coming out as well, and hopefully we can get Shane and Bailey back down the allotment again to get some more allotment videos done for the new channel and also this one. So yeah, in case you're wondering, Shane is still around. He's still doing stuff, just not content wise at the minute. But we will keep you updated with what's going on there. And yeah, enjoy the clip. Wait.
Let's get him. Mobilized a recon aircraft. Enemy turret activated.